Hey guys, we're back with another video. Today I'll show you a tutorial video of how to record your screen with facecam. So this, you don't need to download anything, it's completely free. It's a website you use. So let's get started. It is called Screencast-O-Matic. So what you remember is just like this. Actually, let me just show it so you guys can see. Right here. So I'll switch completely. Screencast, like that, and we'll do a dash symbol, which is, anyways guys, I'll just enter. So right here, like that part right there, so that's what you have to write. Okay, once you've done that, you want to click enter, then they'll show this. You want to click start recording, and then they'll show all of this stuff. You want to click launch recording here, right here. I'll highlight the mouse so you can see that. Then, and also to change the language, it's right below here. Right now I'm speaking English, like I'm Canada, so but there's no Canada English, so I can't change it. Anyways, but I speak English, so it's the same thing. Anyways, once you do that, they'll show loading, and then they'll show like this, so like this red and white box. You could adjust that by going on that line and just dragging it. Then they'll show these options. You want to click both, like they'll show just webcam or just screen, but you want to click both if you want the screen and webcam. So then once you've done that, below that options there should be like a record button. Then you click on that. To stop recording, you just click on that button again. Well, you click on the pause button, which is going to be below, actually. Sorry about that. And anyways, guys, that should be the video. Hope you enjoyed. Remember to subscribe and like the video. Bye!